guys, welcome back to another video. And today, as you can see, we are playing Minecraft. In the last Minecraft video, we ran into a few problems with the garden. Currently, I'm just finishing it up. So, let's get right to it. First, I am trying to fix something. Alright, we're back. And running. So, let's get to it. We're just going to hurry up and all this stuff. Hopefully it works. And now, we're just gonna go in here, and of course, I just gotta put everything up there. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Bow 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 bow. Alright, so now we have all that. We're gonna take some seeds and carrots and take some oak saplings. I start planting a tree. Take sunflower. Those are always nice. Alright. Let's go. Yeah. Whoa! All out. Boop. All out. Alright. Now we're gonna take these. And we're gonna yeah. There's our trees, because we don't really have any close trees other than those ones over there. So, now, sunflower. I think we're liking it right there. Oh, no, wait. I want you right here. No, face me, you turd. I don't want you facing that way. Let me kill you. There. And we're just gonna collect some more stone. Oh, yes! We found gold! Oh no. And it started to get nighttime, so of course, always take some dirt with you. Which way? There it is. Zombies! Ah! Mr. Zombie, you want to come in? Mr. Zombie? Oh my god, is that a creeper out there? There's a creeper out there. Okay, nighttime. Darn it, I waited too long. Please come in so that I can kill you. And then I can go to bed. Is that just an explosion? Oh yeah! Bedtime, bedtime. Oh man. We're running out of time, guys. Hey, what are you doing in my... No! Get out of there. You little turd. Whoa! No, no, no. That was extremely wrong. Are you kidding me? Stupid creeper. I gotta pick up all my stuff again. Why don't creepers burn in sunlight too? It's weird. Ooh, egg. Let's get ourselves some chicken. It didn't work. Alright. Okay. So we have 7 minutes left in this video. No, not 7 minutes. We have 8 minutes left in this video. Which should hopefully be enough. Can you guys see the screen moving? It's cool, right? Nah, sorry. Hey, Mr. Pig. Right, get back here, you. Off to the chop house with you. Alright. Let's find iron. A little hard to see in here, but... Is that iron? No. They probably should have made some torches. Wait, can I make any? No, because I don't have any wood. Nice. Alright, well, that stinks. What about over here? Really? Just went around in a circle. Oh. Well, looks like we're gonna. Ooh. Ow. Oh my god, it's a creeper! He sees me! Yeah. Guys, don't worry, I'm a pro at killing these things. I'm not. What? Come here. Yeah, I'm a pro at killing you, though. You're the easiest thing to kill. Alright. Nothing here. Back the other way. Might be really cool if we found a monster spawner. Did I kill it? Nice. Man, a double dead end. Or maybe we'll be more lucky in this one. How's their flower growing? My flower. Parkour, you ready? Oh, I died. Oh yeah, guys. Iron! Alright. Let's chop this up after we get some nice. Nice, alright. Let's get this chopped up. Alright. So far enough to make a pickaxe and a sword. Oh yeah, more. Alright. Hoping by the end of this video we have full iron gear. Let's see how much we have. 7, so 3 plus 3 6 me. So we're gonna need 9. Oh what? A little bit of delay. Ooh, lava. Wait, that can mean diamonds, right? Lava means diamonds. Oh, more. Wait, no way, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? The most rare ore in all of my... Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them. Let's get it. Alright. Why didn't we bring anything with us? Darn it. Okay, well, this is going to be a little hard. Actually, hopefully not. If we could do this correctly. Alright guys, 2 minutes until that's all we have left. So, I think if I watch the video, if I hold down shift, I slowly go backwards. Yes, right? And I can kind of like it's taking a really long time. Alright, now. Oh! Whoa! That skeleton has a terrible. What is he doing? Are you guys seeing these arrows? Alright. Does anybody know if we need an iron pickaxe to mine emeralds? Respawn. Alright. No. I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. But I will do some more looking, and by the end of by the end of the next video, I should have all that stuff. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys want me to play more games, and if you have any more games. And of course, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.